plane passes from origin, if plane passes from point x1, y1, z1. If this plane is passing from the point x1, y1, z1, then the coordinates will satisfy the equation of plane. Means you get ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 is equal to d. Okay. If this point is origin, then you get d is equal to 0. That is, equation of plane will be ax plus by plus cz is equal to 0. It's a general observation that if a curve passes from the origin, then there will be no constant term. Okay, there will be no constant term. If a curve, any curve, if it passes from the origin, then there will be no constant term. Okay, so if a plane is passing from the point x1, y1, z1, then the coordinates of the point will satisfy the equation of plane. You get this, and if this point is origin, means 0, 0, 0. Here you get a into 0, b into 0, c into 0. All will turn out to be 0, means the value of d is 0. And if the value of d is 0, then the equation of plane will be ax plus by plus cz is equal to 0. Okay. Sixth, equation of plane parallel to above plane equation of plane parallel to above plane is, it will be of this type: ax plus by plus cz is equal to d1, or it will be of this type: lambda ax plus lambda by plus lambda cz is equal to d2. Okay. If the two planes are parallel, then the coefficients of x, y, z, either they will be same or proportional. Here you can see the coefficients are same: ax plus by plus cz, ax plus by plus cz. Okay, or they may be proportional. Ax, here it is lambda a, b, here it is lambda b, c, here it is lambda c. Constant will vary. Okay, constant यहाँ हमने d1 लिया है, वहाँ d2 लिया है, lambda d नहीं लेना है. If you take lambda d, then the planes will be one and the same. Okay, lambda d नहीं लेना है. Okay, moreover, if the planes are parallel, you can find the distance between them. Distance between parallel planes now, in case the planes are parallel, in that case you have to make sure that the coefficient of x will be same, coefficient of y will be same, and coefficient of z will be same. Means it should be of this type. अगर इस type का है, then you have to make their coefficients equal. For that you have to multiply this by lambda. Okay, this will be mod d minus d1. I am considering this and this. Okay, the difference between the constants divided by under root a square plus b square plus c square. The concept is very much similar, which you have already studied in straight line chapter in 11th standard. Okay, 11th standard में भी ये concept हमने study किया है. The concept is similar. 8th, distance of point P x1 y1 z1 from plane. अब ये डिस्टेंस जो कंसिडर किया जाता है, ये डिस्टेंस हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस रहता है फ्रॉम प्लेन. इट इज इक्वल टू मॉड ax1 प्लस by1 प्लस cz1 माइनस d अपॉन अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर. ओके, द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट वी हैव स्टडीड इन लाइन्स चैप्टर आल्सो in 11th standard. Distance of a point from a line, or perpendicular distance of a point from a line. In the same way, here it is perpendicular distance of a point px1 y and z1 from the plane. What you have to do? Replace x, y, z with x1, y1, z1 and take d to same side. Means सारे terms एक side होना चाहिए, next side 0 हो जाना चाहिए. So ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. So these are some general points with respect to plane. Okay, please note it down.